A very warmest welcome to everyone in my new video. Today we are going to talking about the BHU program that is coming under the Department of Food Science and Dairy Technology. So basically in my previous video we are already talking everything about the BHU for MSc Food Technology program, like eligibility criteria, curriculum and syllabus, and what are the fees. Now today we are going to visiting the department, okay? And the department is Department of Dairy and Food Technology. And now today we are going to talking about the courses offered in this department, okay? The first course is MSc Agriculture Livestock Management, okay, LPM. It is a 2-year postgraduate program, okay? And now moving forward, the second one program is that will be coming under the Department of Dairy Science and Food Technology. The program is MSc Dairy and Food Technology, okay? So this is the program MSc Dairy Science and Food Technology, okay? And it is a postgraduate program, regular program, and duration of this course is 2 years. And you will saw the eligibility criteria. The eligibility criteria for MSc Dairy Science and Food Technology is 10 plus 2 plus 4 year, okay? Your undergraduate course is of 4 years, it is mandatory, okay? Candidate coming with BSc Agriculture, BSc Honors Agriculture, BTech Dairy Technology, BSc Agriculture Dairy Technology, Dairying Science, BSc Food Technology, BTech Food Technology. So those students will completing their undergraduate degree in such course, they will be eligible for getting admission in MSc Dairy Science and Food Technology, okay? So this is the Master of Science program. Now moving forward, now the other program is MSc MTech. This is the main thing, okay? So you should to now moving forward, MSc MTech Dairy Science and Food Technology. Now listen one thing, a student coming with BTech degree will get MTech degree, and a student coming with BSc and BSc Agriculture or BSc Honors Agriculture will get MSc degree, okay? And relevant course also. So it is a postgraduate program, it is a regular program of 2 years, and eligibility criteria is 10 plus 2 plus 4 year undergraduate degree is essential. Candidate with BSc Agriculture, BSc Honors Agriculture, BTech Dairy Tech, BTech Food Tech, BSc Agriculture Dairy Technology, Dairying Science. So these are the eligibility criteria, okay? So and admission process in this particular program by university entrance test that will be self conducted by Banaras Hindu University, okay? Now moving forward, and now the other thing is PhD, okay? PhD in Dairy Science and Food Technology. Now PhD in Dairy Technology, okay? The duration of this program is 4 years, and eligibility criteria, okay? The main discipline Dairy Technology allied discipline subject, you must having a MSc or MTech degree holder, then you will get admission in Dairy Science and Technology, okay? Admission process to getting admission in PhD Dairy Technology, you should to qualifying the exam of Junior Research Fellowship or NET exam like UGC NET, CSIR NET, or common university entrance test also, research entrance test. So you will getting admission in this university for PhD program, okay? So moving forward, now other PhD program is PhD in Food Technology, okay? Now PhD Food Technology and Food Science Technology, about this program, it is the PhD level program, it is regular program, and the duration of PhD course is 4 years. And eligibility criteria, the main discipline you must having a food technology or allied discipline subject, okay? Like MSc MTech Post Harvest Technology Engineering, MSc MTech Horticulture with specialization in fruit and vegetable, MSc in Food and Nutrition, MSc MTech in Cereal Technology or Food Science Technology, okay? So the same thing also, the admission process by JRF, Junior Research Fellowship program, or national level entrance test to getting admission in PhD like UGC NET, CSIR NET, okay? So now moving forward, now talking about the main thing, that is Master of Science MSc in Food Technology, okay? Now Master of Science Food Science and Technology, about the program MSc Food Science and Technology. This is the MSc Food Science Technology, and the level of this program, it is a postgraduate level of program, and the nature of course is regular, okay? There is no distance course. A structure and syllabus, okay? So in semester 1, your more relevant topic and subject is technology of fruit and vegetable processing, and in semester 4 it including some thesis work and project. So no, don't talking about this. So duration of this course is 2 years, and eligibility criteria, you must having a bachelor's degree related to the allied or discipline branch of food science and technology, okay? And admission by only university entrance test, and tuition fee is 35,000, okay? So this is all about the BHU Department of Dairy and Food Technology. branch. Okay, so if you having any doubt in my video or any program, so kindly pin a comment in the comment section. I will try to giving all of your questions in a proper mannered answer. Thank you very much to watching my video.